Come to share with you some more journals that I've made, and these are two Traveller's Notebook size journals which measure 8¼ by 4½. They've both got one signature inside, and I can't remember how many pages now. They will be for sale in my shop, so more details will be on their pages, etc. So we'll start off with this one since it's just there. This is the cardstock that I've used for the cover, and we have got I've used the template from my blog, which is listed below if you want to go over and get the template for this. So we've got the double pocket, and we have a large tag inside there with some eyelash trim on through the hole. This paper here is from ARTYmaze, and it's part of her collage collection. I'm not sure if it's one or two because there's two kits, as is this. We've got a ticket and a butterfly, and then we've just got the word journey here. We have two tags. This book belongs to. The two tags are the same in both books. We have this little journaling card here with the birdies on there, and let's go inside. These, the main papers are from Tsunami Rose, and it's the Charming Fragments. I think this is the second one, because you've got Charming Fragments 1 and 2. So I've used that, and we have a Rita Donnelly flip up here with a doily, ticket and a butterfly, and this is all been sparkled up using some glamour dust. I think that's what it's called. We've got a tag and right on the back of that. Got a journaling card here from Dreams Etc, and that's her collage kit that she has. I think that's quite a big kit. A journal card here, a little Tiffany & Co, and then this little piece of ephemera. I think that was from Tsunami Rose. We have some edge punching, some stenciling and stamping, some vintage music paper, some digital music paper. Here we just have just a little flip out that you can journal on, and another journal card from Dreams Etc. Some crocheted trim. We have a glassine bag. Love that noise. A doily, some Edith Holden, some more writing space, lots of writing space. Got a little pocket here using the leftover cardstock from the cover. It started off as a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. We have this tag. This tag here is from ARTYmaze, and that's a freebie. Tag. This is from Tsunami Rose, as is this. We have a library card and a double journaling card. That's from Tsunami Rose. Here I've just put a little piece of, I'm trying to use up all my scraps. So I've used this little piece of cardstock here and this heart that was in my stash. I don't know who that's from now. Can't remember. Another digital paper, page from Tsunami Rose. Here we have a Terri Woods inspired pockets and flip out. Terri's linked below if you want to go over and check her channel out. We have a doily, ticket and a butterfly. Here we have a piece of ephemera from Tsunami Rose. This is from Dreams Etc. I love these tags, they're just so pretty. And Jennifer designs all of this like herself. It's, you know, most of it is her own actual artwork, I believe. Very talented. A journal card which goes in here. And a tag, again using up my scrap pieces of cardstock. Or designer cardstock. Lots of writing space. Oops. Centre of the signature. Another Rita Donnelly flip up. Doily, ticket and a butterfly. Here we have another one of those tags from Dreams Etc. Isn't that pretty? And a tag. A double journaling card. and a postcard from Tsunami Rose. Another pocket. This is from Dreams Etc. as well. Some ephemera. Another piece of ephemera. Another tag. And some more ephemera. So there's quite a lot stuffed in the pockets. Some more Edith Holden, the doily, the other side of the glassine bag, and library card, another one of these flip outs. I dried, I done some coffee dyeing yesterday, I think it was yesterday. Whoopsie, I won't go in there. And it's come out quite light because I dried it outside, but what I do is I kind of go over it again with some spray and then just let it dry, or put the heat tool on it and it just gives it some sparkle. We have another pocket here inspired by Terri Woods, so that flips out and it all opens up, so you've got your full A4 sheet of paper to doodle on. Some ephemera here from Tsunami Rose, a tag, another journaling card from Dreams Etc. This is from Marion Smith. It's discontinued. It's a digital kit, and then we've got another piece of ephemera here and here. And that is that one. So, like I said, I can't remember how many pages. So there's that one. Let me show you the other one. It's very similar. We've got the two tags. This little journaling card. It's from ARTYmaze. Again, the double pocket. There's a template on my blog. Large tag. Ticket and a butterfly. Let me pop that back in. Again, it's Charming Fragments, and it's part 2. Again, we've got one of these flip outs like you just seen me show. I'm not going to do it to save some time, but it all folds out, and it's obviously a double pocket as well. The Ticket and the Butterfly, inspired by Terri Wood. And here we have a large ticket, which is from ARTYmaze's Dragonfly kit. This is just a big long tag, some ephemera, a little Tiffany & Co tag, a double journaling card. These are actually, they're actually full pages, but I printed 2 to a page, so I got some journaling cards out of that. So that just pops in there. Some more music, vintage music paper, some digital music paper, another library card, another flip out, stenciling, stamping, crocheted trim, love the bee. Just done some like layering here, or collaging, whatever you want to call it, on the pocket. Use some scrap pieces of cardstock here. This is actually like a vellum butterfly, and this is from ARTYmaze. And obviously I printed some stuff out. I think it comes with the tags, so I've used that one there. This is from Dreams Etc. Got a large tag there. This is the tag. This is the butterfly that comes with the tags. Some ephemera, Marion Smith tag, a journal card there, some Edith Holden, Rita Donnelly flip with the ticket and the butterfly and the doily. This tag is from ARTYmaze. We have this piece of ephemera, this journaling card, which is from Marion Smith. This is from ARTYmaze. Can't remember what collection. Just got so much in my tubs that it's never ending. I keep thinking that I'm gonna get through it all, but it's not going to happen. Lots of journaling space. Another Rita Donnelly corner flip with the doily, ticket and a butterfly, and a large tag, some ephemera, some more ephemera there. Yeah, this trying to get to the bottom of your bits and bobs is just never ending when you're a crafter. I don't think you actually do get to the bottom, because you're always making more stuff as well, so you always got little bits left over, but it's good to use them as well. This is a postcard from the old design shop, I think, or maybe it's the Graphic Fairy, I can't remember, but I just backed that onto some cardstock. Here we've just got some scrap cardstock here on this pocket, the heart, which I can't remember where that came from, and the butterflies from ARTYmaze, a journaling card there, some more ephemera, a little tag from Marion Smith. People have often said to me, you know, where did she go, where did she stop? I know that she went, I think she bought like a farm, and she's on Instagram. I can't remember her name on Instagram now, but she's, you know, doing new things with her life. She may come back to designing again, I don't know, but obviously she's very happy doing what she's doing. She's got, you know, her children, so they're spending a lot of time with them. Another Terri Woods flip out, and a large tag again. That's just using the scraps. Tag from ARTYmaze. That was the other double journaling card that was a full page, and I printed 2. So we have that, and then a Tiffany & Co tag. And I feel like I've been on here for ages. Let me see. Oh, 11 minutes, not bad. So these will both be listed in my shop. I've actually got quite a few journals on there at the moment. I've been busy, so if you want to go over and have a look, each listing has a video to go with the journal, so you can always go back and watch the videos to see what you're getting. Obviously all the details about these will be on the listing as well as this video, and if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.